So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm visiting this goat farm, Surya Goat Farm here, Biratnagar, near in Biratnagar. Today I'm going to show about actual breed of Surya goats and their characteristics. There are many, you can look in my background, there are many farm sheds in my background, and now I'm going to talk about these breeds and their characteristics and their production. Today, maybe today's video may be surprising for you because I have been also surprised when I have looked first time this breed, because this is very better and very attractive breed, goat breed, and this goat breed should be promote in Nepali agriculture sector, because in my view, because this breeds gives more meat production and as well as milk production too, and goat milk is very necessary and very helpful and very good for human beings. And there are many other positive there are many other positive what I can say positive sectors, positive factors of the goat milks, and I'll make next one video for you about goat milk, and we can discuss about goat milk in next video. Now today I'm going to show you a breed as a king of goat breed, Surya goat breed, and I have been here in this farm shed. Now I'll show you the next part of this video. I will not stop my blog, because you can say you will say that you may making a fake video. Now you can see in my background there's a largest goat here. You can look this goat. You can see they are drinking warm water because the climate is cold. Climate is cold. You can look next one goat. It's the largest goat breed. There are many goats in this shed, and almost are healthy, almost are having good body score in their health. So hi guys. So there is next one, next quota breed. You can see extra horns of this girl. You can see there. She's extra. Then others, and her body structure is also heavy, because this breed is quota breed, and you are looking sport collar. This sport collar are all Surya goats, and these Surya goats are having age of 1 to 2 years. And we have Ajmeri breed. This is a Ajmeri breed, which is colored like a brown as well as red. And they are Ajmeri goats, and they are very good for milk production. I'll show you. Oh, they want to eat my diary. I'll show you Ajmeri goat. Ajmeri goat is popular for milk goat. You can look there. Okay. This is a Ajmeri goat, and you can see she have a good odor, and this breed gives more milk. She have healthy body structure, and she gives more milk. And these goats have most of these breeds have red color and some white spots in their ear. Okay. Okay. Now I will show you Totapuri breeds. Do you know about Totapuri breeds? If you know about Totapuri breeds, you can comment me in my wall. I'll show from here. This is a Totapuri breed, and she have Roman nose and cylindrical body structure, and she is about 9 to 10 months age of Totapuri breed kid. And I will show you more Totapuri breeds here. You can look there. Totapuri breeds in there is rounding. Yeah, that one is this one is Totapuri breed, and I'll show you this one buck here. This buck breed name is this buck is a Gujri buck. The Gujri body structure will looks like Siroi pure breed and Ajmeri pure breed's color, and it looks like we can say that this is a Siroi breed, and which box or which breed's colors white in their face, or white in their upper neck, or white in their middle of the this stomach, they called Gujri. If they have black body color, that's okay, but they should have white color in their body, but not as a sport color. There should be a white color in nose, that's okay. White color in their head, no, that's okay. But there should not be a sport color of white. I think you understand that. I'll show you some examples of this. I think we must go there. You can look there. This is Gujri buck, and you can look there. He have not sport color. He have sport color in brown, but white color in his face, and he looks like body structure of Ajmeri goat breed and a Siroi goat breed. And have this breed, Gujri breed, is also best goat like Ajmer, because Ajmeri goat have high milk production, and this breed have high milk production as well as meat production too. Now I want to show you heavy goat of Siroi breed. I have here a heavy goat of Siroi breed. She is very young and she is very beautiful. She is very good goat in this farm. Okay. Okay, she's very heavy, and this is a Siroi goat. Okay, this is a Siroi goat. She is now 3 years old, and she is pregnant of 3 months, and I think she have 3 babies in her stomach. And last time she have also 3 babies in second delivery of her, and there are 2 bucks, and we sell them in a big money. She makes big money every year, and she is a healthy goat of our farm, and we love her so much, and she is beautiful too, I think. Okay, this is Siroi goat breed. Here also a little bit white color in her nose, but we cannot say Gujri, because a lot of parts and a lot of body structure looks like Siroi goat breed. Okay, thank you. And I have other beautiful goat too. I'll show you other beautiful goats in this shade. I like this buck, but I think he'll be every time angry. you can see this bug. I think I'll show from here. I should show from here. Come on, boy. Come on. She's and this is Kota Bok, and he is of 2.5 years bok, and he have a high service and high mountain activities. He is so healthy. His body structure is so good, and he haven't been sick for 3 years. He haven't been sick. Now I want to show you this broccoli. I think he is here. He is hanged over here. His horn is very rounding, and it looks like I don't know what that song called, and you can look there. Okay. Now it's crying. Now I'll show you one more bok Siroi breed. Come on, boy. He's too good. He's too good than black one. Come on. This is my lovely bok. Okay. And come on. And he is up to 3 years 8 months, and his weight is weight is 100.3 kg, and he is very good, and he is very healthy, and his service is much good every year. And we have a lot of baby. We have a lot of production of this bug, and most of the kids are good because I think his every character are good, and he is not more aggressive, and he is healthy too. His color is most beautiful. Yeah, you can look here. You can look from here and see. And yeah. Okay. If I stay more than 1 or 2 minutes, they will crush me. Okay. We have some kids here. I'll show you. Here some breeds. Okay. From here, there is a Siroi I got kid. This is a bok of 3.5 months, and we can see her. This is a Boer cross nurture, and there we can see a brown color female kid. She is now 4 months, and she is a cross of a local breed of Nepal and Siroi breed. Okay, and she have a highly good body structure and highly good FCR, as well as everything is good than her mom. So we will take her to a breeding doi for crossing more time for Siroi breeds. Okay, and we have other goat also. Here we have some local goat breeds here, and there is one black and white sport goat. She is a crossbreed of Siroi, and she also have high best result in last year, and this year also she is pregnant, and she is very good goat for us. You can look shade, and this shade is we have 4 shades like this in our farmhouse, and next day, if you want, if you demand, if you support me, I will provide you next shared video. And we have different types of goats, and we have a different system of taking goats inside. There are cage systems, and there are more box and more breeding kits we have selected in our farmhouse. I'll show in next video. Keep supporting, keep loving, and keep loving agriculture, okay? And I love agriculture, I love farm life, and happy day, happy life. Thank you.